Check ant activity and soil changes regularly to verify whether your compost and mulch tactics are actually deterring ants. Start by establishing a baseline in early spring before you apply amendments. Count visible ant mounds in each zone of your yard and record soil texture and richness using simple field tests like a squeeze test for texture and a basic pH strip plus a home compost color and smell check for richness. After applying compost and mulch, visit the same marked zones every month during the active season and recount ant mounds at the same time of day to avoid diurnal variation. For soil monitoring, take small composite samples from the top 2 inches and from 6 inches down and note changes in crumb structure and moisture retention. A well-amended soil will clump less and hold moisture more evenly. Keep a simple log with dates, weather notes, and any cultural changes such as watering or plantings so you can correlate interventions with ant trends. Also monitor beneficial insect signs like an increase in predatory beetles or ground foraging birds, which indicate an ecological shift away from ant dominance. If you want more rigor, photograph each zone with a dated reference and use the photos to compare mound size and density over successive seasons. Common issues include inconsistent counting methods that produce noisy data, so standardize your protocol now by mapping zones, using the same time of day and weather conditions for counts, and recording with photos to reduce observer bias. Another problem is attributing ant decline to amendments when seasonal weather or pest cycles are responsible, so always record rainfall and temperature trends, and continue monitoring across multiple seasons before declaring success. A third concern is soil sampling that misses changes because samples are taken only at the surface, so collect paired shallow and deeper samples and note root zones to capture true textural and richness shifts. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share practical project experiences relevant to yard and soil work. We host a discussion community where we and other members exchange monitoring techniques, share results, and help match homeowners and contractors for follow-up work.